Hi, few days back I happened to see the speedometer needle not functioning in my Activa scooter, and the culprit is mostly the speedometer cable they break. In this video I will show you how to replace the speedometer cable in your Honda Activa. Tools required: a 14 mm spanner, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plier. Part required is a speedometer cable which you can procure from a Honda spare parts dealer. First, place the scooter on its center stand. To replace the speedometer cable, we need to remove the front center cover, the pivot arm cover, the rear view mirrors, and headlight case. To remove the front center cover, we need to remove the following 4 screws. 2 screws in the front, and 2 screws at the back. Using the Phillips screwdriver, turn anti-clockwise to remove the screw. Keep the screw in a safe place. Follow the same process on the other side. Now remove these 2 screws turning anti-clockwise and keep the screws safely. Remove the front cover by releasing the boss from the 4 mounting grommets. To remove the rear view mirrors, pull the dust cover up using the 14 mm spanner. Turn anti-clockwise. This side. Same thing on this side. Lift the cap out. Turn anti-clockwise, this direction. To remove the headlight case, you need to remove 5 screws. 1 in the front out here, turn anti-clockwise to remove, and 4 screws out here. Turn the screwdriver anti-clockwise to remove the 4 screws, and don't forget to keep the screws in a safe place. Pull the headlight case slightly up and carefully release the tabs. Disconnect the headlight connector, turn signal indicator connector and remove the headlight case. Remove the pivot arm cover by removing the single screw turning anti-clockwise. Using a screwdriver, push the tab to remove the speedometer cable like so. Also, you can take the help of the plier to pull the speedometer cable. Using a plier, turn the speedometer cable connector anti-clockwise to remove like so. Pull out the old speedometer cable. As you can see, the speedometer cable is broken. Hence the speedometer was not showing the speed, that is the needle was not moving. Here's a new genuine speedometer cable procured from a Honda spare parts dealer. Let's go and install the speedometer cable. Pass the new speedometer cable like so. Once the speedometer housing comes out, pass it through the front fender grommet like so. Pass the speedometer cable housing like so. This clip will go out here. Pull it a bit more. Like this. Push in the speedometer cable, the tab should lock into the front brake panel with a click sound. See that the tab is properly seated. Don't forget to grease the speedometer cable. You can remove the cable out from the housing, grease it and put it back. Now connect the cable to the speedometer turning clockwise like so. That's how you replace the speedometer cable in Honda Activa scooters. Let's quickly go through the installation of the various parts, starting with the pivot arm cover. This will go out here, like so. Put back the screw. Tighten it by turning clockwise. Connect the headlight connector, turn signal indicator connector like so. Now put back the headlight case. While putting the screw, take care, put your hand out here like so, and then put the screw. Put your hand because there are chances of it falling and then going inside in the panel. Removal will be difficult then. Let's put back the four screws securing the headlight case. Put back the front center cover by connecting the boss to the mounting grommet. Put back the front two screws turning clockwise. These two screws turn clockwise to tighten. Install the rear view mirrors turning clockwise. Now using the 14 mm spanner, tighten it like so. Right hand mirror, turn clockwise to tighten. 14 mm spanner, tighten like so, and pull down the dust cover. Let me test the speedometer by taking the scooter for a short spin. There, as you can see, the speedometer needle is functioning. That will be all in this video. Hope this video is of help. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Like and share. I will catch you in my next video. Ride safe.